Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining this live. Thanks for checking it out. All right, guys, where y'all watching from? Y'all hanging out with me today? I'm going to go over some great stuff. Man, doesn't it look amazing on this channel? Shout out to Shanna D. Representing Missions Trading Agency. Follow them on Instagram. You can follow me on Aaron D channel. And, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, where else? Snapchat, all that stuff. I don't post very much, and if I do, it's about trading. Or one of my other passions, music, food. You guys watching from? We're going to get into it. It's 11:11. Let's go. Save that for later. Man, it's a good day. It was a good week. We're going to go over the week. Some of the ideas that we saw in the market. And how you could potentially have capitalized on some of those moves. Some of the moves on the NASDAQ 100. So we're going to January 23rd. We're going to start at January 23rd. I'm just getting it set up. Just giving a few moments for folks to come in. I want to know where you're watching from, guys. I'm new to the YouTube stream for trading. I've done streaming before in the past. I didn't like it, but you know what? I found something that I really enjoy doing, and I enjoy teaching. I really enjoy teaching some of these concepts and some of these ideas. All right. So, man, yeah, let me know where you're watching from. Let me jump on here. You know what? I should go live on Instagram because people want to know on Instagram, too, like, how do you trade? Like, you know, I get asked all the time, like, man, I can't, or get told all the time, man, I can't do that. That looks like another language. Absolutely it does. It really does. It's a whole nother language. It's amazing. It's the financial language. It's the financial market language. It's what the guys on Wall Street talk about. You dig? So I should go check that out. I should go live on Instagram. I think I'm going to try to do it. I'm not sure how to do it. And, like, be dope. If it'll be dope. We'll see if it'll be dope. All right. So, Instagram, Facebook, are y'all live? No. Just gonna hang out for a second and see who all shows up. I see that there's two folks up here. What's up, guys? Where you watching from? Who is this? Say your name. They're hidden. Okay. I don't know what that means. So, yeah, man, I want y'all to check it out. I want y'all to jump in. So we can go over some stuff. It's 11:13. Give it just a few more moments. Then we're going to dive in. And I'm going to keep this up. I'm going to keep this video up forever and ever and ever. So you can always return. This is going to be our first educational video of this year that we go live talking about the charts. Man, we did 2 live streams this week. And both of them were profitable. Both of them were really good trades. Had you taken them with us, you'd be sitting in profit, man. Be sitting in profit, for real, for real. All right, let me see how I'm going to do this, because I'm going to put it on this stand, so it might get shaky real quick. Hold up. All right, just getting set up. We're going to set up to Instagram. Man, live, y'all. I'm gonna try to catch all the Instagram stuff too, man. I don't hardly ever go live on Instagram, but see what happens. This is what traders do. This is what traders do in the mornings. Saturday morning, you go to the chart, you look back at the week. All right, let's go. Let me get y'all set up. Flip that around. Cool, cool, cool. Getting shaky, I know. All right. Going live on Instagram real quick. All right, Instagram, what's up, y'all? I'm so glad y'all joined us. If you want to check out some of the ideas that we're going over on the screen, go to Aaron D channel on YouTube, man. Go check that out, man. We're getting live. We're live. We're live, man. I haven't been live in a minute. Haven't been live in a good minute. So we're going to dive in here in a sec. We're going to dive in, y'all. We're going to give a few moments for folks to jump on in and say what's up. Hey, if you're watching, where you watching from? Hey, y'all, what's up, guys? We're going over charts, man. This Aaron D channel is about day trading. Of course, we do music, we do food, we do all the stuff, man. We love God, we love Jesus around here. What's up, guys? Man, I'm glad y'all checking it out. All right, if y'all want to really see what's going on, like, if you're interested in this, then jump into YouTube, man. Aaron D channel on YouTube. I put a link in the bio on Instagram, so we're about to start here in a sec. We're about to break it all down. I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this, but it's kind of like the New York Stock Exchange. I'm going to go over what we did this week, man. It's going to be amazing. I want you to check it out. My brother, yes, sir, man. Oh, what's up, man? Dude, good to see you on here, brother. Every minister, every person who is a musician or is somebody who looks to get abilities or their creative gifts, I wish. What this man? I wish money wasn't a issue for folks. But the reality is, and YouTube, y'all can chime in too. The reality is that it absolutely is. Olá, boa tarde. Olá, Angola. Olá, amigo. Meu irmão. Vamos junto. Deus te abençoe. Deus le bendiga. Man, so the reality is that money, dude, we do some stuff for money that sometimes we got to put ourselves through it, right? Here's what I really want you to understand. If you can, if you want to, if you're willing, man, that money doesn't have to be an issue. Money doesn't have to be an issue. What would you do if money was not an issue? Oh, okay, I see y'all, YouTube. Man, I'm not sure what to do. This is why I need my co-pilot. What would you do if money was not an issue, my bro? Right? You would do more of the thing that you're supposed to do. So what I've learned, what I've caught, what I've understood the last 24 months, actually April 4th, 2021. April 4th, 2021 is when I really committed to learning how to approach the money market, man. Come on, YouTube, let's dive into this thing. Y'all like how it looks around here? Y'all like how it looks on YouTube? Yo, it's dope. It's dope, man. Share this, like this, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell, you dig? But man, so what we understood was that, man, if I took away the stress, y'all, Yamina, same. You understand? Like, wouldn't you just want to do what you felt like you were supposed to do? This is how I equate it, y'all. This is good education. This is good. This is the first video that we've done this year as far as the education piece and why we do what we do. First of all, it's called missions trading, right? It's a mission to understand trading aspect here. If you want to really know, like, the honest truth, man, I didn't know a thing about money for a long time. And I had to learn, dude. I had to really, really learn, yo. I had to learn how to catch pennies. And then when I caught the penny, how do you manage the penny? All right? And because I hope people who are watching understand this, like, yo, there are teachings, there are principles that have been given to us from the word, man. And it's something that we have to apply to ourselves. And how do you apply it, man? Because, we give and give and give. But, okay, hold up. Let's take us back to the boat. All right? This is what I'm going to talk about. Y'all, this is going to be dope. This is going to be dope. I don't plan these conversations. All I really want to do is show you how to do this. Catch some pennies so that you can do what you're supposed to do. Your mission. Okay. But if we go back to the boat, when Jesus said, hey, let me borrow your boat. Y'all know what I'm talking about? When Jesus said, hey, let me borrow your boat. Let me borrow your boat. I need to go out there because I need to do what I'm supposed to do. Right? He saw a guy who wasn't fishing. He saw a guy who was mending his nets. He saw a guy. What up, Schaefer? I'm talking about trading, man. Why you should do it. Why you should learn it. Missions trading. He told the dude, hey, let me borrow your boat because I need to go do some stuff. You dig? I need to go do some stuff. Peter says, okay. And after Jesus did what he did, he told Peter, hey, man, put your nets down. The ones that I saw you mending, the ones that I was under the impression that, you knew how to catch some stuff, some fish. Right, so this is the backdrop. This is where we started. This is how I started. I was like, Lord, you want us to do what you did. You want us to launch it to the deep. You want us to launch whatever it is supposed to launch. Launch it, man. Don't wait. A lot of times it's because we don't have the finances in place, or we're working a 9-to-5 job that we can't even go down to the lake, because that's what Jesus was. Jesus was at the lake, dude. Jesus was hanging out. Some days I wake up, man, I'm thinking, look, why do I not have a fishing pole in my hand right now? Because I like to fish. I really like to fish. It's really fun. Anyway, so the long lesson, really short, is that he saw a guy who knew his business, right? He already had a boat. He already had nets. And he already had a network. Okay. He already had a boat. He already had nets. He already had a network. And he was in the right place at the right time, doing the right thing in front of the right people. Anyway, so there's a lot of stories that can go on in there. Here's the bottom line, is that if the dude didn't know how to catch fish, Jesus wouldn't have said, hey, let me borrow your boat. I said, Lord, teach me how to catch fish so I can do what I need to do and go down the lake. So anyway, we put ourselves through the education, okay? The education on how to catch pennies. And then the Lord says, I'm going to make you fishers of men. But first, he had to be a fisher of fish. Like, you had to know how to make a living. And that was the reason why. Hey, what's up? We're live. You want to come in? You can join. And that was the reason why Shanna D, my co-pilot, finally, she got to turn on these comments on YouTube. I don't know how to do it. So that is what the reason why I think and I see and I can interpret this story to say, really get good at catching pennies. And then, or catching a livelihood so that you can free up your time and free up your energy to go catch some men. You dig? Missions trading. All right. So Lord said, all right, I'm going to teach you how to catch pennies. I'm going to teach you how to manage pennies. Y'all want to learn this? Y'all jump on YouTube, man. We're going to go into it. I'm going to keep this up for a little bit, y'all. But that was kind of like the one-on-one, the quick overview of what missions trading is. And there's a few folks who really catching it, man. On YouTube, Aaron D channel. All right, Aaron D channel on YouTube, if y'all want to check that out. We're about to go, man. All right, here we go. YouTube, are you ready? Come check us out, yo. Come check us out. We're about to get started, all right? And it's going to be a pretty quick video. Instagram, if y'all have any questions, let me know. Hit me up in my my messages. Would love to share it. It's a game changer. You get to do what you want to do and do it for God. All right, we're getting started, YouTube. Here we go. Here we go. All right, first things first. You catch that verse. I pray that out of his glorious riches. What? Riches? Come on. That's health. That's peace. That's strength. He may strengthen you with power through his spirit in your inner being. You dig? All right. I'll make this real fast because I think we got to go somewhere. All right, I'm going to look at Monday, y'all. Here's Monday. If I look at a higher time frame, you see that there were, and I use gold bars for 4-hour support resistance. All right, I have a key interest level, points of interest, key levels and stuff like that, 4-hour time frame. So that's what these gold bars. The red bars are for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna grab me a fib that I use a fib to really mark off these zones, and I use it and I call it a wick fill, and I mark up the wick fill. Okay, on 30 minute I use red. That's pretty much it. What am I looking to do? All right, this is Monday. There's 6:30. Let me go to 7 a.m. Make this real fast. And then I'm going to drop down to a 5-minute time frame. Okay, what am I looking for at 7 a.m.? I'm looking for a rejection. I'm actually looking for a rejection. I'm looking for price to come, reject this level here and come down here. That's where I'm looking for price to do. Now, does it do that? We don't know. We just react. And we have some rules that we're going to use and deploy to be able to understand and when to get in and when to get out. Okay, that's the only decision you got to make. When to get in, when to get out. All right, and we want to go with the flow. What's the flow? The flow is going up. So we're not going to jump into a sell. We're going to actually see how it reacts to this level, and we're going to see if it goes through the level, because we could potentially keep going up. I hope that makes sense. All right, let me see here. And then we're going to click. We're going to click it through. All right. Cool. Y'all ready? So here is 7:25. We're going to keep rocking through. Let me see here. Let's see. Comes. There's a candle there. So automatically, I'm already thinking, you know what? I'm going to wait till the open. I'm going to wait till 8:30 because nothing really here seems like I'm interested unless I get a GAN flip, which is this blue line. It's this blue line right here. I want to see it turn red. Okay, I want to see it turn red. And I want to see a breakup structure going down on the 5-minute time frame. All right. So now it's touching that GAN flip, 750. So go ahead, open this up. And you know what else I need to know? I need to see that we're going to break these lower levels here. I want to break through here and break this level here and see how it reacts. All right, so here is a potential GAN flip coming up. Bam, there it is. Now, are we obligated to take this? No, we don't have to take this. But it is our rules lined up. What is our rules? Here's an area of rejection, 30-minute order block, wick field, wick zone, whatever you want to call it. Here's a GAN flip to red. Here's a breakup structure going down. Okay, so I could potentially enter right there on a sell. My stop loss, my protection line could be right at the entry candle. Come on, y'all, take notes on this right here because this is the sauce right here. And I could potentially target the bottom of that level right there. Now, how likely is it that price is going to come down to these areas? We don't know, because we're just in consolidation where price goes sideways. So it could just come here and kind of snap back and knock us out. So what I would love to do is put this on the entry candle right here, 12 points. And let's see what happens. It could be knocked out. We could continue to go, but this is our rules right here. And what we see is a rejection wick, right? And we see that wicks are being formed. Look, we almost get stopped out right there. This next candle may be it. Yep, that next candle's it. Now, what time is that? That's 8:25. So we jump out of this loss. This is a loss. Like, you could have risked minimum 0.5% or less. Okay. And here's our long. Now, why would we want to jump into a long position right here? We have a GAN flip. It's not really coming out of this order block down here, right? Here's the entry candle, and let's just see. Sometimes all you know is you don't know. You just react, all right? And we see a very bearish candle come in. So this is what I call whipsaw. So there's two losses. Let's say you risk 1% on each of these. That's 2%. You're done for the day. Let's say you risk 0.5% on these. Then you have 1% loss. You have 1% left to trade. Now, what I would do, I would wait to see if it's gonna come up in here more and come give us bearish momentum, or if it's gonna break down here and give us bearish momentum, or if it's gonna continue up and give us bullish. This is where we wait. All right. All I know is I don't know. But 8:30, man, 8:30 took us out of that buy, and we're out of this sell. So at this point, we don't know what was gonna happen. All right. So we see a lot of bullish momentum right there. That's telling me that buyers want to take this thing up. So I'm going to get that entry candle right there. All right. And we broke this high. We could be breaking this high just to come down. All right. We say we risk 0.5%. We go into profit, and we see rejection in the 30-minute order block. We continue to watch this price print. At this point, because we're in such a consolidated area, I would be protecting at the entry point, and we see price just run up. Dude, price just ran up like a mug. So we took two losses. Here's one win that mitigated those losses right there, okay? Now, where could price potentially go? Here's where I use the day trading booster indicator. Day trading booster indicator. I'm going to see how price reacts at that level right there. At this point, this trade is protected, and we are running in profit. Does this make sense? If you have any questions, let me know. If this making sense right here, then this is all we need. This is all we need. Honestly, all you need is 1%, but we're looking like we're about to get a 2% increase. Come on. There it is right there. So there's 2% increase right there. What we do is we would take 80% off the table and let 20% run. Put our stop loss in profit. This is it. This is the magics. There's no secret about it. I just showed you exactly what we would want to do in this kind of scenario, okay? Because we don't know what price is going to do. We just react, and how quick is your reaction time? I just showed you how to risk. I just showed you how to jump into a trade and be confident, and if it goes the other way, okay, I'm risking minimum. All right, so here now, what are we going to target? We're going to target the next resistance zone up here. And if we look to the previous, to history, right? If we go back in time, there's really nothing we can target. So we're just going to rely on this instrument, on this indicator, letting us know that this is a place of resistance where price could potentially reverse and go to the opposite direction. All right. So we see price kind of getting hung up on the support line, the resistance line. Then it breaks through, giving us a new high. We're going to let these candles print, and there's more highs being made. At this point, I'm just going to click play because I got to go. We're going to see how price continues up, and there's our target hit. Our target got smashed. Our target is finished, and we could potentially let this thing go, or we could take total profit. That's a 1 to 5. That's Monday, and we did that several days this week. I'm just glad that you're here. If you can, do me a favor, subscribe, y'all. Share this, comment. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to do a one-on-one, put you in a Zoom meeting, I'd love to help. so you can catch some pennies. All right, guys, that's it for me. See y'all in the next video.